how to do the printhead cleaning of your Canon Pixma G5020 printer. If your printer is missing ink, as we can see here, it's not printing all the colors, then you can start with the normal cleaning and deep cleaning process. This will help you to fix the clogged ink. For the cleaning process, click on the setting icon, scroll ahead, select maintenance, nozzle check. That is the page. It will display all the information if all the colors are working properly or not. But right now we know the colors are not working, so we will not print anything. Scroll to the next option, cleaning. This is the first stage of general cleaning. Press OK. It will consume a very little ink and then we will print the nozzle check sheet. Now this might take a minute or 2 minutes. Let's wait for the cleaning to finish. If you just follow these simple auto cleaning methods, you will save a lot of ink and time. We can see it has finished the cleaning, so it only takes few minutes. Next step is to print the nozzle check sheet. Scroll back, press OK on the nozzle check. Right now we can see it has started to print all the colors. Now in case you don't see all the colors there, if any of the color is missing or if all the colors are missing, then you have to go to the display panel again. Here scroll to the next option, cleaning, and then go to the deep cleaning. Deep cleaning will take little bit more ink, but it will give you better results. And this will fix the ink cartridges that are clogged more. Press OK. So deep cleaning has started. Now it might take a couple of minutes again, so we'll just wait for that. Deep cleaning is done. Once we finish it, we have to go to the display panel, scroll back, click on the nozzle check. It will print the nozzle check sheet again. Again we can see it has showed all the colors. That means our printhead is clean and it's working now. In case that doesn't work for you, then you can repeat this process several times and definitely it will save a lot of ink. But if you think that is not solving the problem, then you can do the printhead cleaning. Open the ink chamber. Once it moves and comes to a side, we have to move it to the section here, because I want to save ink here. So what I'll do, I'll use a tissue paper that I'll put it underneath, or we can use a damp cloth. Take a damp cloth and cut it into a thin strip and place some water in it. Now once your printhead is not moving, just move it to one side. Place this damp cloth here, just at this section, and then you have to lift this little bit up and move it on the top of it. And here we can see the damp cloth comes to the other side. Now rub it few times like this. And you will see a lot of ink will show up here. That means it has cleaned some of the clogged ink. Once you do that, just close this chamber. Again, go to the printer display panel, scroll ahead and just do the normal cleaning. Don't do the deep cleaning right now, and press OK. It's gonna take 1 or 2 minutes. Back and click on the nozzle check sheet and press OK. Now you can repeat the cleaning and deep cleaning several times to get the desired result. Hopefully this will help you to fix your printer. So let's check the print result again. We can clearly see all the inks are working perfect. That means we don't need any more cleaning for this printer. That is the easiest way to unclog the ink and clean the print heads. Hopefully this will help you to fix your printer. Thanks for watching.